Hello, this is how the plot looked when I got it.
I mean, oof, just looking at that frightens me. Tackling that is going to be a bit of a nightmare. And on that side it's all brambles and rubbish and I don't know what's what. A little bit of a fence. And back to, I don't know, that's the neighbours' barrels and things. But yeah, it's going to be a fair bit of work.
I cleared a bit of space at the top before clearing the shed. The area at the top is now filled with rubbish from clearing around the shed, so I'll have to work around it till the ranger takes these bags away. I can clear the corner and the hedge.
At the bottom there are some fruit trees and fruit bushes, and I don't know what's what till they start putting leaves out. So this overgrown mess will have to be left alone. Obviously the brambles have got to go, but there are other things like raspberries and blackcurrants in here, so we'll just have to leave them. I think the first job will be to tackle this hedge on the south, which will do two things. One, it will clear out all the brambles and get some sun in.
There are obviously the usual weeds to go with the brambles and thistles. The thistles are dormant now, but they'll come up later in the year and I'll have to deal with them as they appear.
There's comfrey all over the place. And nettles. And dock. And our favourite, dandelions.
Now that we've seen what needs to be done, I need to get on and start clearing.
When you dig out brambles, you need to really try and dig out the root, because if you trim it or leave the root in place, then it just comes back. So you must, there's no point trimming it, there's no point trying to cover it with weed mat, because brambles don't respect weed mats or trimmers, they just keep coming back. So you have to get the whole root mass, otherwise it comes from the bottom again. If you cut it at the bottom, at ground level, it just comes straight back.
Let's take a look at the bramble and its roots. They can have an extensive root system covering a large area. New shoots appear from the base of the plant, and here you can see the new shoots, as well as the older stems. These new shoots will appear even if the plant is cut down to the ground level, so the whole plant needs to be dug up with as much of the root as possible.
Another favourite trick of brambles is to set root as they crawl along, so they hide in the grass, and as you go along you trip up because it's got a root at that end and it's got a root at this end. So when it's down you don't see it, you trip up. Absolutely horrible things. So we have to dig out both ends, grab two lots of root balls, and there we go. And this is the main root ball. Still doesn't want to come out. And there we go. a root at this end, and it had started setting root at that end. It has only just started, so the tiny little roots. But in time there would have been big roots like this, and it would have set off other brambles.
There was an awful lot of old stalks from thistles and other weeds that had died back over the winter. Clearing the stalks is easy, but it worries me that they're all down there waiting to come back once the weather warms up, as you can see from all the thistles coming back after the winter. Other weeds such as dock are also reappearing. These have deep roots, so will be a pain to dig up. These dried old seed stalks tell me that there are plenty of seeds in the ground to replace whatever I dig up. But they've been useful in that I know where to dig up the dock, even when the leaves haven't appeared yet.
Brambles can be quite long. I mean, this one, it starts there, goes right into the hedge on that side, and it's probably going more or less all the way across there, so that's almost the full width of the allotment, which is about 10 meters. So that's a long bramble. At least I'm getting close to the end of the allotment, but looks like there are birds nesting in those trees. So this is about where I'm going to stop. I'm not going to clear all the brambles. I'm going to leave some at the back and get back to it in September when the nesting birds will have gone.